Designed for large capacity and heavier load storage requirements, Shelfcraft-made mechanically assisted mobile adjustable shelving provides high-density storage, allowing you to free up valuable floor space. Available in a large range of lengths, widths, depths and colors, our Compactus units can be configured to your individual requirements. The base or platform is the integral part of each Compactus and is manufactured from heavy-gauge tubular galvanized steel. Bases are constructed to be fully adjustable for both height and level, allowing the fabricated mobile trolleys to effortlessly glide on case-hardened bearings for quiet and smooth operation. Compactus units are available with single or double entry bays, which can be fitted with external dress panels and either powder coated to suit your office decor or supplied with printed images.